Congratulations on purchasing Botanicals Sweet Orange Facial Cleanser. So our Sweet Orange Facial Cleanser is step one of your nightly skincare routine. So we always want to cleanse and remove the debris from the day. Cleansing at night is a very, very important step in your skincare routine, and it's one that you should never skip out on. So this product is wonderful because it is pH balanced. So that means that it's not going to be overly stripping on the skin. When we cleanse our skin, we never want to end up squeaky clean because that means we're stripping our skin's natural oils, and that can produce a lot of different skin concerns if left unchecked. So in this product, we use a very gentle coconut-based surfactant as the cleansing agent. We also use jojoba beads, which are going to give you a really good physical exfoliation that's going to be effective, but yet gentle. We also use a little willow bark extract in here, which is going to provide a little bit of a chemical exfoliation, as well as aloe, because aloe is very soothing on the skin. And then we use a sweet orange essential oil in this product because it is just wonderful, invigorating, and such a great way to cleanse the skin. So to use this product, you're going to use one pump. You can squirt that into your hands, or you can squirt one pump onto our cognac face sponge. So if you're using this face sponge, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to hydrate the sponge to start. So you will run it under the water and get it wet. This is probably gonna take a minute to hydrate. But once this is hydrated, it's a really nice, gentle sponge that you can then use to do one pump of the cleanser and then massage around the face. So you're gonna do that for 60 seconds. No less than 60 seconds, and really make sure you're getting your chin, your neck, your hairline, all those places that we kind of like to miss. You do want to make sure you're hitting those when you cleanse your skin. So this is step one, the Sweet Orange Facial Cleanser.